Deer are agile creatures. Here, we see an F1 car racing. As the race progresses smoothly, a deer suddenly appears in front of the car. This results in the loss of both the race and the deer's life. You may need to be especially cautious in mountainous areas. Otherwise, an animal could appear on the road at any moment. In this crash video, we can see the deer suddenly appear. In such situations, it's important to remain calm and maintain control of the steering wheel.
Oh, that poor, oh my God, I was recording it. Oh my goodness. What just happened?
Here's an example from snowy winter weather. The driver doesn't get fooled by the snow and continues at high speed. Unfortunately, we are faced with a result we all wish to avoid. Here we have an unfortunate couple. While driving on a dark road, a deer appears in front of them. With no other option, they have to get out of the car and check the damage.
Там оттуда, блядская пидоросня. Снял? Блядь.
In this next unfortunate case, they see a deer jumping in front of a truck. Sadly, the same incident happens to them as well. It's truly heartbreaking.
Damn it, Paul! I told you I was going down for it. Fuck! Whoa! Oh dear! Oh shit! Where? There's another one. Paul! Damn it, Paul! I told you.
The deer here can't decide what to do and chooses to jump in front of the vehicle. Unfortunately, it's the wrong choice. The deer that appears suddenly catches the rally drivers completely off guard.
That's gonna look good on camera.
Let's watch this in slow motion. Although the deer makes the wrong move by crossing the road, it manages to escape at the last second.
Fucking Christ! Holy shit, man! What the fuck? Damn! Woo! Hold on, let's look at the car. Yeah.
A gigantic deer could only be this lucky. Or maybe it was the people who were lucky. A deer suddenly appearing out of nowhere could scare all of us like nothing else. On such a peaceful and beautiful journey, we expect to see lovely landscapes and listen to pleasant music. But what these people see is a deer flying through the air.
Expectancy of an aviator in war was measured in hours. But Lindbergh saw in this a way out of the life of drawing boards, meetings, and conformity he had come to dread. He had never been in a flying machine, but somewhere in the back of his mind, ever since he watched the plane race the automobile at 10 years old, there was an excitement, a rush of daring do. His teachers always said his head was in the clouds, and didn't know how right they were. In February 1922,
Another unfortunate deer and car on a beautiful autumn journey.
Are you okay?
Yeah, are you okay?
In a footage taken from the car's rear camera, despite the car hitting the deer gets up and walks away. Before the driver realizes what's happening, the deer appears in front of the car, and they collide. Be extra cautious during night drives. Otherwise, situations like this could happen to you.
Serious, dude.
It's gonna be a cold,
Fuck.